The Clayton Mark 381504 valve body for the Clayton Mark yard hydrants. So we'll go ahead and get this out of the box here. Now this is a completely lead-free valve body. There's a couple things about it. We'll have this hex side here, of course, with those internal female threads, and then a rounded side with the female thread as well. We'll go ahead and take a couple measurements of the valve body here, starting with a total length. It measures just shy of 4 inches. And then we can also get an outer diameter here at that hex side. And that will measure right at about 1.5 inches. With an inside diameter of right at 1 inch. And we'll also get an inside diameter here at these threads as well. And that will measure right at 1.25 inches. So once again, this is the Clayton Mark 381504 valve body.